Good evening, Mowana. Congratulations.
Thank you. Good evening.
Here's a question. According to the latest research, women are the demographic most affected by gambling. What do you think is the cause of this? And what do you think needs to be done to address this matter?
Sustainable Development Goal number 5 highlights gender equality, something that we already envision as a nation. To see our women empowered academically, socially, and financially. And the reason why we have issues related to gambling is because some women are not empowered in these areas. Something that we can easily solve by encouraging them, by teaching them financial literacy, and making them aware of the